Welcome back everybody to Tabletop Loft. As you can see, I painted these a light brown, I painted this section a dark brown, and I painted the base tower a really light gray. Now we're going to turn around and we're going to do a dark wash. My dark wash is a base black paint color. You can check the description down below for the video that I made how to make your own homemade washes. So we want to go ahead and we want to coat your sections of your piece section by section with the wash. I'm going to show you starting with the top. Normally you would like to start at the bottom when you're doing a project with a wash, but I'm going to do the top. Now remember, you want to completely coat with your dark wash the whole section that you want to wash. As you can see, it brings out the deep, rich area, the darkest parts when you add a wash to your project. We're going to go ahead, after I completely coat this, we're going to do a dry brush. We're going to dry brush the base color of each section. So the dark brown will get a dry brush of dark brown on top of the wash, and the gray will get a gray, so forth and so forth. The reason we're doing this is it'll give it more of a deeper perspective and richer color. So we're going to do that. Now what I like to do after I do that is, I'm not a huge fan of the gray towers, so I'm doing a purple tower. And I'm using sketch style. So it's prime gray, dark wash, dry brush gray, dry brush white. And then you're going to put a glaze or ink on top. I made my own homemade glaze. So you add the paint to it. The glaze is made with 3 drops water to 1 drop paint. That's the ratio. Do not let it pool like you do your dark washes. But there you go. And to make sure it's completely coated, no pooling, nice, just thin layers. And then we're going to take a look at the finished product. This is the purple color. From a distance, it looks like a really dark gray. But as you can see here, you can see all the cracks from the washes, the highlights from the dry brushing. And then remember, all I did was add paint on top of that, really thin down paint. I did the same with the base, but I used browns instead of using gray tones. But yep, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.